Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so in my last video I was talking about the Maiar exchange, which isn't quite live yet. And what I did is I set up this farm, yield farm thing in the Maiar exchange. You can go and check out that video if you click the link in the top corner. That will take you to that video. Obviously nothing's happened yet, and it says here rewards and swaps will be enabled on the 19th of November. It's the 19th of November today, so I'm dying for this to happen. If you look at the swap, you can say that's coming soon. That's supposed to be live today as well, and I'm wanting to see my rewards here. So, I mean, what it's saying at the moment, the market capital is $303 million, and the estimated weekly rewards are 110. So I'm dying to see what my rewards are going to be worth, really. I mean, if you look down here, it says the APR for the eGold MEX farm is 3,695%. This sounds crazy. I've read a bit more into it, and what the situation is it's going to be mad for the first few days. And what I really wish I'd done is I really wish I'd unstaked more eGold from my Maiar app, so I could have gone in a bit more heavy. So what I've done, I've gone over to my Maiar app and I've unstaked 100 eGold. So in 10 days time I can do this all over again. I'll basically sort of add to the eGold MEX farm. I've realised since the other day is what I'm actually doing is what is called here the Denver strategy. Actually, tell you what, I'll put a link in the description to this this Google document. And basically, the Denver strategy is a way to use the Maiar Dex to accumulate as many eGold LKMEX tokens as possible. And the idea is you start off with like a ridiculous APR, and it will eventually come down to 150 APR, and then you go to the second part of this strategy. So it says here the general strategy is the APR and the eGold MEX pool will be very high at the beginning, so reinvesting and compounding is the key. Right, so that's what I need to do in the initial few days, or maybe a few weeks, I don't know. The eGold MEX farm APR will fall as liquidity increases there. Okay, that will make sense. And then when the APR is below 150%, we stop compounding interest and start generating passive income to use for other investments. So you got the MEX and the lock MEX producing these eGold LKMEX LP tokens. So what happens then is you go on to this strategy version 2. So this is what they call 6 months saving MEX. So it says here, once we've our eGold MEX pool finished, that means the producing is less than 150% APR, which still sounds mad, to be honest. We unstake the LPs and put them back into staking. We put them to generate LKMEX with the 2 times appreciation. Okay, look, the only way I'm going to learn about this is by doing it. So do subscribe to the channel, and I will keep you informed about all this, because I think this is going to be a nice little earner, to be honest. Actually, I think this is good. If you haven't got any MEX tokens, then sorry about that. You obviously weren't involved in the Maiar app in the early days back in April. And if you wanted to buy some eGold, you can do it on places like Binance, I think. I bought mine on crypto.com, and if you're interested in doing that, I'm going to leave a link for crypto.com in the description also, where you can, if you make a deposit to get the red crypto card, you get $25 worth of CRO token for free. And if you've been having your eye on the markets the last few days, you'll see that CROs have gone absolutely nuts, and I think it's going to go even more nuts. So this is another project I think you ought to get involved with as well. I love crypto.com. I use it every day, and I use their card every day. And you can check out my previous videos where I got my rose gold card and all that, and it's all very cool. I love crypto.com, and also love Maiar as well. But anyway, what you can do is, if you've got some eGold, you can later today you will be able to go over to the Maiar exchange, and you will be able to swap some eGold for MEX, and then look at my previous video and then set up your own eGold MEX farm and get involved really. And then yeah, so in the description I'm going to leave a link to this Denver strategy, so you'll be able to go straight there and read it for yourself. And also I'm going to put a link to the Maiar Dex, or rather the Maiar app, if you haven't got it. And if you use that link, you get some free eGold, so it's well worth doing. If you don't use the link, you don't get any free eGold, and which is not much fun really. So yeah, just a quick update on this really. If this becomes live later on, and I haven't published this video already, I will show you how much my earned MEX was. I think it's 2 days ago. So that'll be interesting to see how much MEX I've earned. So this is Saver Crypto saying thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, check the links out below, and tell your friends.